I tried to tell my mom and dad that I don't want to go. They're growing